Okay, now that we've learned how to play the seconding or the rhythm fiddle for a waltz, Cajun waltz, I'm going to go ahead and teach you how to play the melody. In Cajun music, there are usually two parts to a song, and we call them usually the A and the B part, or sometimes we'll call the B part a turn. What we'll do, we'll start off on the A part. Here we go. Okay, that's part of it right there. I'm going to do that one more time for you. Okay? Okay, now in that part that I just played for you there, I'm hitting a double stop with two fingers. And it's this chord right here, which would be a G chord. So it's going right here. Okay, this is the chord right here. Okay. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and play the second half of the A part really slow for you, because it kind of rocks back and forth over the A and the E string, okay? I'll do it again. One more time. Okay, it's going to repeat that first part of the A part again. Okay, and we'll go to the other part. Play the whole A part for you, and I'll do it real slow, and I'll play it a few times through so that you can play along with me. Here we go. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and teach you the B part. I'll play it one time through, and then we'll break it down. break down the B part for you. Okay? Okay, I'm going to do that same part slower for you. Okay? Okay, I'm going to show you that there's a double stop that I'm doing on that part. I'll break it down for you, show you where it's at. Right here, coming up. I'm going to slide the pinky up, and I'm putting this first finger down. So basically it's this double stop here. It's kind of hard, you know, but I think with practice you can get the hang of it. If it's too hard for you, just go ahead and just use the pinky on that part. So it'll be something like this. Okay? When I'm playing, you know, gigs and stuff like that, I add a lot more slides. I don't know, I tend to like that more. But I'll go ahead and show you what I'm talking about here. Right there was one. You heard that? So I'm sliding into it and sliding out. And that's all with one downstroke of the bow. Okay. The second half of the B part. So I'll do it a little slow for you, okay? Okay, now we're putting the puzzle together. We're going to play the B part for you, the whole B part, and I'll play it a few times through so that you can play along with me. Okay? Okay, I'm going to piece the A and the B part together, and I'm going to just play it like twice through so that you can play along with me. And I'll play it at a sort of a slow tempo. try to give you a little piece of that note where the A and the B part connect together, and the B part connects back to the A part. So I'll just give you an example of what you could do for that. There it was, okay? Did you hear it? Alright. So it's going to be. Okay? Hope that helps.